Today I'm at a client's house. We're going to pull apart this wooden window. A couple tools we'll need. We'll need our hammer, a chisel, a very thick chisel. The bluntness of the chisel really helps. We need a knife. We might need a crowbar. Sometimes we have to cut a nail. Also, we'll use pliers to pull nails back through, and we will always want to label everything we take off with our Sharpie, and occasionally even a taping knife to kind of get in there and figure out where we're going to be. Our first step is to break the paint seal. Just gently score the window stop. I'll come back and do a second pass and try to get my knife in a little bit thicker, a little bit farther down. So now I'm totally in with my knife. We want to put our chisel more or less where there's a nail. There's one here. There's one here. I'm going to start at the bottom with the chisel. It's a bit counterintuitive, but the thick, fat chisel is what actually pops the wood out. It does less damage when it's fat. So we get a piece off, we want to label it. That's the left side. So put an L on there. The other thing we want to do is we want to just make sure these nails are out of the way, because they can be kind of dangerous to somebody. So pulling them through is the preferred way. That one just broke. But if you have to bang them out, it'll probably make some damage to the wood. The same process, we repeat that on the top. Here is our bottom window. Now, what we have is we have a corner bead. We get our bead out. Usually we'll see about 3 nails in it. Again, I want to try to pull this through. This wood is so thin, it's hard to do this without breaking, and the wood's old and dry. And this is a nail that's not going to pull out, so we just very gently take our hacksaw and right off. Again, we should label this. Now for the top window. Sometimes these are painted in. This one looks reasonably able to move. And so it's still connected to its original ropes. That's part of the reason it's having a hard time coming out. And there we go. We don't want to lose the ropes up inside the pulley. These have knots on the end that are kind of nice. There's our window. My name's Chris Jacobson, Vallejo Home Support. Thank you for joining me. Talk to you soon.